All right, Moose, get over here and sit down. Back up. Back up. Back. Sit. Don't growl at me. Sit. Sit. All right. Back. Get back over there and sit. 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 Food for Rocco. Sit. Food for Moose. Wait. Hey. Stop that. Little food for Schnitzy. More for Moose. Little bit of food for that one. And we need pills. Good dog. Schnitzy needs his pills. So he doesn't have seizures. Hey, don't do it. And he needs this too. Hold on. Wait. Everybody's hungry. Got a little decorum here. We're all waiting patiently. Who wants to eat? Rocco, you got bubbles going. Is everybody ready? But not yet. Because I didn't say it was okay yet. Only when I say okay can you eat. Okay.
That is great.
Good dogs. It's good food. I know. Yes, it's good. Yum. Now I have to stand here and watch so that he gets his drugs. Good puppies. Get all your kibble. Moose, eat your food. Eat your food, good girl. And then Schnitzel, here, I need a kibble. Everyone, you need a little more of your drugs. Gotta eat all of your pill. Eat that whole thing. Good boy.